Crops like maize, sugarcane, yams, banana plantations, trees and many others have been cut down.
Now what we are doing is restoring degraded wetlands by encroachers. We are doing it in such a way that we are backfilling the channels created by the people, draining the wetland in order to provide the correct moisture for crops to grow.
According to Nsima Robert, the Kyegegwa District Environmental Officer, the campaign will reach all the 19 sub-counties that make Kyegegwa District. Kyegegwa has 109 wetlands, and of these, over 90 have so far been destroyed.
Wetlands are very vital in activating the natural climate of the area because they aid in the process of rain formation through evaporation. One other effect of climate, rather wetland degradation, is to lack clean and pure water for domestic use and for animals.
Some of the area residents welcomed the move, citing issues of drought due to encroachment of wetlands.
Abandi bakarya muna kalituso kwa nebekejo hati baranda marwa kiba cyane ngo bakore ibyo bango ryakarya mizi abantu twaturuka gemcheka buti bacane no kubunyasi.
On the contrary, the affected farmers cried themselves out, noting that they now have nowhere to fend for their families.
Atokushashe kwito hati tukashashe ntugera tuteye mugena hati kuno n'abantu batabaradikiro kabona kako zishabatu gwamo bakayikani bitema toka bagarukamu no bagaruka muri bashiya bine kindiga batari kwenda kugira ngo kubakora baguma bahunamye no bakura niwe cyokoro yemere ukora uri babuliyo.
The action comes after several months of constant drought due to environmental degradation.